Good morning guys, in front of me is OPPO F23 and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So at first open your phone dialer, then go to keypad and let's start with the first code which will show us email number. The code is *#06#. So here you've got email number assigned to your device so you can smoothly and quickly find it. Tap on OK to exit. Another code that I want to show you is *##. 426 #*#. And here we've got FCM diagnostic mode, where you can check events and status. If you want to reach a bit more info, just tap on more icon and select advanced view. So that's it, we can go back now. And another code that I want to show you is *##, 225 ***. And as you can see here, we've got the calendar info. Actually, I do not have any calendar connected with this device. However, if you do have it, you will see all events from every calendar that you've got connected with your phone over here. So it's super convenient to not forget about any upcoming event. That's it. And these are all codes that I wanted to share with you today. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.